Hello my dear student, hope you are fine and taking care of yourself. Myself Monica Dhaya, I am your physics teacher. Today we will do the revision of chapter electricity. As you know that we are doing revision of chapter electricity already. So today we will do the resistivity topic numerical. As you have said that ma'am, please discuss numerical on topic resistivity. So before starting the revision, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification, or any query you can ask during your online classes. So let's start. The numerical is a wire is 1.0 millimeter long and 0.2 millimeter in diameter and has a resistance of 10 ohm. Calculate the resistivity of its material. So R value is given 10 ohm, length is given 1 meter, diameter is given 0.2 millimeter. So 2 into 10 is power minus 3 meter, or point, so 2 by 10. So we have removed the decimal. So 2 into 10 is power minus 4 meter. Area of cross section of the wire is, as it is in circular, so it is pi r square. Pi into radius is half of the diameter, so pi d square by 4. We know that r is equal to rho L by A, because r is directly proportional to length and inversely proportional to area. So when we have substituted, we have got this formula. We will put the values. Rho we will calculate r into A divided by L. Put the value of area, pi d square by 4. Now substitute the numerical value. R is 10, pi is 3.14, d square, 2 into 10 is power minus 4 square, L into 4. So 10 into 3.14, 2 square is 4, or 10 is power minus 4 square is 10 is power minus 4 into 10 is power minus 4. So what you would get? 10 is power minus 8. So when you will solve it, you will get this value, 3.14 into 10 is power minus 7 ohm meter. This is the resistivity of the material. We have calculated of the wire, which is 1 meter long and 0.2 millimeter in diameter and having a resistance of 10 ohm. Let's do more numerical related to that. Now let's do next numerical, in which resistivity is given and we have to calculate length. So a silver wire has a diameter of 0.4 millimeter and resistivity 1.6 10 power minus 8 ohm meter given this time. How much length of this wire is required? This time asking for the length of the wire to make a 1 ohm coil. So let's do it now. So what is the diameter given? 0.4 millimeter. So we will again convert it into meter. So what you will get it here? So you will get it 0.4 into 10 power minus 3 meter. So when we will remove it, again decimal, 4 into 10 power minus 4 meter would come. What is the resistivity given? 1.6 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. Resistance is given 1 ohm and length we have to calculate. R is equal to rho L by A. Cross multiply it. 1 by L is rho into 1, R up into A. So next step, take reciprocal. So L becomes R into A upon rho. So what is A? Area of cross section of the wire. That is pi d square by 4, because area is pi r square and pi r is diameter by 2 square. So it becomes pi d square by 4. So we have substituted it here. Now put the values here. When you will solve these values like multiply, squaring, so after solving, at last you will get the length of the wire is 7.85 meter. So in this way you can try the other numericals also, which are given in your book. Already I have discussed those numerical in earlier videos. So you can see those questions there also.
Now see this next question. The electrical resistivity of few materials given below. Which of the material out of these A, B, C, D, E, F we can use for making heating element devices? So as you are watching, the A material resistivity is 6.84 minus 8 ohm meter. Similarly others also. But D material having the resistivity of 1.00 into 10 to the power minus 6 ohm meter, which lies in the range of alloys. So heating element we used to make with the help of alloys. So your answer is D. Similarly, see next question. Different materials are given of resistivity like silver, copper, tungsten, iron, mercury and nichrome. Now the questions is, first is, among silver and copper which one is better conductor and why? So we will compare the resistivity. Silver resistivity 1.60 into minus 8 ohm meter and copper is 1.62 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. So silver resistivity is less, so we will use silver. Next question is, which material would you advise to heating element devices and why? So as you know that for heating element devices we use the alloys. So nichrome is an alloy, so that's why we will use the nichrome, that is 10.0 into 10 to the minus 6 ohm meter, because they do not because alloys have high resistivity than metals, and they do not burn or oxidize at high temperature. So that's why nichrome is used. So like in this way you can use the resistivities of the different materials in given questions. Means when resistivities are given of positive power, so they are of insulator range, so we use them as a insulator. And when it is of -8 ohm meter, so with that we use for the conductivity reason. And when it is of -6 ohm meter, so that time we use it as a alloy. So you have to see that which material is given, so according to the condition we use them.